Welcome to SuiteTrails. In this video, we will be your guide to explore the stunning destination of Paraty, Brazil. Join us as we uncover the 7 must-see attractions and hidden gems this charming town has to offer. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. The tour departs from Paraty and heads out towards the vibrant Serra da Bocaina National Park, a vast area of protected Atlantic rainforest. Arrive at the park and hike through the tropical forest until you reach the stunning Pedra Branca waterfall, one of the most beautiful in the region. Take advantage of the breathtaking location and snap unforgettable photos for your holiday album. Continue through the forest and learn about the rich biodiversity of the park, watching out for native species of bird along the way. With your guide, discover the park's unique flora and fauna, including the Jequitiba, one of the largest trees in the region. Afterwards, travel to the village of Penha to visit the nearby Tabaga waterfall, where locals and tourists practice surfing on the rock. Admire this one-of-a-kind location as well as the natural pools of Poco do Tarzan and cool off from the humid weather with a refreshing dip in the water. Stop for lunch at the nearby Vila Verde, cozy restaurant that sits beside the Paraty River, and taste a selection of authentic delicacies to the region. Finally, visit Engenho Douro Alembic to observe the process of cachaça making at a unique distillery to learn about and taste this beloved Brazilian beverage. Number 2. Board your vessel and enjoy a pleasant trip around Paraty Bay. Your crew will be waiting to welcome you and make your trip as fun and relaxing as possible. Your boat offers a bar, restaurant service, restrooms, floaties to use at the stops, snorkels, and masks for rental, a motorized backup boat, music aboard, fruit, and complimentary coffee at the end of your journey. Travel through the wonderful Bay of Paraty, making 4 stops along the way. You can also enjoy an optional lunch inside the boat. During this 5-hour tour, you will visit 2 beaches and 2 islands, making stops for around 30 to 40 minutes. Enjoy stops ideal for bathing and snorkeling, and you can even have a swim in a natural pool. Join this unforgettable tour for a fun and relaxing day of sea and sun. Number 3. Cruise through the waters of Paraty on a private boat tour. Enjoy a personalized experience with a boat that is exclusive to you and your group. Choose your itinerary, the duration of the tour, and the soundtrack. Board a medium-sized, comfortable, and safe trawler-style boat. Customize your tour to your preferences. Choose your itinerary, the duration of the tour, and the soundtrack. Enjoy a clean and structured boat for private tours in Paraty. Choose from a variety of boats, including the Porto Seguro boat, the Atlantic boat, and the ocean. Opt for a private tour for one person, couples, families, or group gatherings of a maximum of 30 people on each boat. Choose from a variety of boats, including the Porto Seguro boat, the Atlantic boat, and the ocean. Number 4. Enjoy a safe, comfortable, and convenient shared transfer to your accommodation in Paraty from Antonio Carlos Jobim International Airport, otherwise known as Galeão, Santos Dumont Airport, or from hotels in the South Zone of Rio de Janeiro. Choose one way in either or both directions according to your needs. Book your shared transfer in advance and arrive safely at Paraty without the inconvenience of the public transport network or the expense of a last-minute taxi ride. Relax in the safety and comfort of a licensed, air-conditioned vehicle driven by a professional driver. From Rio airports to Paraty, the service runs 365 days a year and the departures are available from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Your driver will be holding a sign with your name on it at the meeting point in the International Arrivals Hall. From Rio South Zone hotels to Paraty, the service runs 365 days a year and the departures are available at 8:30 a.m., 12:30 p.m. or 5 p.m. From Paraty to Rio, the service runs 365 days a year and the departures are available at 8:30 a.m. or 12:30 p.m. This service is shared with other passengers and therefore there is waiting time at additional stops. Number 5. Enjoy a safe, comfortable, and convenient shared transfer to the fantastic Ilha Grande from your accommodation in Paraty or from Ilha Grande to Paraty. Choose one way in either direction according to your needs. From Paraty to Ilha Grande, Get picked up at your hotel, then head to Santa Luzia Pier in Angra dos Reis. From there, use your Flex boat ticket to cross the water to Abrão village on Ilha Grande. From Ilha Grande to Paraty, depart Abrão village on Ilha Grande by boat and cruise to Santa Luzia Pier in Angra dos Reis. Your driver will be waiting for you to take you to your accommodation in Paraty. Number 6. Save time and money with a safe, comfortable, and convenient shared transfer from São Paulo Guarulhos International Airport to your hotel in Paraty. Choose a one-way transfer in either direction according to your needs. Book your shared transfer in advance and arrive safely at Paraty or São Paulo Guarulhos International Airport without the inconvenience of the public transport network or the expense of a last-minute taxi ride. Relax in the safety and comfort of a licensed, air-conditioned vehicle driven by a professional driver. From São Paulo International Airport GRU to Paraty, the service runs 365 days a year and departures are available at 9:30 a.m. or 3:30 p.m. Your driver will be holding a sign with your name on it at the meeting point in the International Arrivals Hall. From our meeting point in Blue Tree Troar Paulista Hotels, Paxoto Gomide Street 707, we are departures at 8:30 a.m. and 2:30 a.m. Number 7. Travel back in time through the history, architecture, and curiosities of the historic center of Paraty. In a 90 minutes guided walking tour through the historic center, we will take you traveling back in time to the historical facts and curiosities about Paraty, recognized by UNESCO as Cultural Heritage of Humanity, Gastronomy, and Biodiversity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.